Hello guys, today we are going to look at this mini speaker and see how it operates. This speaker, to open it up, you have to press here at the back like this.
Welcome to Blue Star.
It's on. You can see the blinking light at the back, and here is where we charge with a USB like this. Hold on a minute, I'll show you. This is a charger. We insert it here like this. This adapter we plug into a socket and it charges. It's just this much big. It's a mini portable speaker. So I switched it off. We're going to open this inside and see what is there. Let's start. We have to open from the bottom. It's come off easily. See, this is how it looks inside. Now here we have this a small matter one which supports the electronics here. I'm gonna look with this lens to see the small parts. What is here? Okay, here, I don't know whether you can see it. I'm just trying to bring it to focus. Just look at it closely. This area, this part, this one, I don't know whether you can see that this particular part, this one below here, something like a white dot here. I don't know, my finger is not here. Can you see it, guys? Yeah, this area, this one, this is GD, ground, and the upper side, this one, this here. I can't be able to show this properly. There are two dots, white, 1, 2. The lower one is ground, G and D. The upper one is VCC, power. There are two. And there are these two wires, tiny wires. I don't know how to show this clearly so that you guys can see. See, there are these two wires, one, yeah, these two wires, 1, 2. One is connected to G and D, that's ground. Another one, this one is connected to VCC, voltage common collector, that's power. And then we have very tiny wires behind. indeed very tiny. I'm trying to see, guys, this particular portion here, 2 tiny wires, and written below in the motherboard is S minus and S plus. This goes to the speakers. Yeah, so let me try to see. Here you have to unscrew this area entirely. I don't know whether I have something to open this. Hold on a minute. Whether it's possible to open. Well, actually it's not. I need a much thinner screw to open these two. And below this, we'll see what is below there, but it's not really possible to open. So guys, I cannot be able to open here because I don't have the screw. It needs a very tiny screw to open. Otherwise I think I'll damage this. Oh shit, I'm scratching it. No, so this is how it looks. I can't open there because I need a thinner screw, thinner than this to open. And then here we have a battery. So this battery you can remove and see. Yeah, I have removed the battery. This is a battery which connects positive and negative. Yeah, it's tiny. And below this you can see the speaker wires, the two, this one, these two wires connect to S minus, S plus, the speakers. And I guess this must be the diaphragm. This must be the diaphragm that which vibrates as the electromagnetic waves come from here to this portion, and below this, I don't know whether I can be able to remove it. Actually, it looks like a glass. No, this is a glass. That's below the glass is where I think the diaphragm is. Oh no, I'll be able to take it off. No, it's not. Maybe I'll damage it because this glass is protecting the diaphragm. See, this is a glass like structure, and down there you see there's the white stuff there. I think it's the diaphragm. I'm not very sure about it. Just thinking. And then down below the white stuff is a magnet. So you see, when the battery is connected here we have the the electronics, VCC, VE, and the electronics there below. I could not open this screw to show you. And then it goes here, the electromagnetic waves, the electrons that flow through here, because we assume that we have current flowing and the electromagnetic waves being generated in there. So see how it looks like. Well, guys, I wanted to really open here and show you this, but how can I do it? I cannot force it because no, I'll damage it because these traces can be scratched where the current flows through these traces. I don't want to damage these traces. So this is how the mini speaker looks. The rest is the housing, and this is a wire mesh. I can be able to see this. No, it's not. Yeah, that's how this mini speaker looks like. I can pull everything out, but I may damage some parts. Yeah, I've removed it. See now, this is the glass-like structure, and the two wires, this one connects the magnet, and see the speaker, they connect to this here. So here I think you can see the speaker. Okay, I brought it out now. And look, see the speaker. That is so dusty. And then this surrounding this is a magnet. Now I have to be very careful. I don't have any object here to see whether it can hold it. Yeah, see, it's holding my key. This key ring is being held. It's a magnet. Okay. So this is how this speaker looks like. See. Here the left and right speaker is connected here with these two tiny wires. Now taking it back was a big deal. It's an empty housing, nothing is there. It's a wire mesh. So let's try to put it back. Succeeded to return one portion. And I have to put back the battery. Yeah, I put back the battery. Now I'm going to put back this, the case. I hope I've not damaged it. Yeah, so I put it back. Let me see whether it can be on.
Welcome to Blue Star.
Yeah, it's on. You see it's blinking. And there is a sound. The audible now says welcome to Blue Star. So this speaker is Let me see. It's a UPL. It's written UPL. Yeah, it's on. And this knob here, when I press it back, it's off. And then let me try to put the charger, USB. Yeah, the USB has gone in. And let me try to charge it. Yeah, there's red light here. I don't know whether you can see it here. It's on, it's charging. That means everything is fine. So this is a mini speaker, and that's how it looks inside. It's not heavy, just very light. Okay. Yeah. I think that it's a bit loose here. It needs to apply some kind of glue or something. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today. How this mini speaker looks inside this. You've seen the two wires that connects to VCC. VCC means voltage common collector, where the power comes from. And we have GND, that's ground, the negative side, no ground. And then we have the two wires that goes to the speakers. One is written S minus, another one S plus. So you have to connect the two little very tiny wires, then connect them to the magnet. And below the diaphragm is in front, I think, of the magnet. I was just saying here, but it's not the diaphragm machine is in the front part. So the vibration takes place there. When the electromagnetic waves, when the waves are coming inside, then the sound is produced. So the white, that was the glass, that's not the diaphragm. I have to correct this. Yeah, so that's all. Okay guys, so I think you have enjoyed, you have learned something, how to open your mini speaker, and you know what is inside. So we'll proceed with the other series. I have another speaker here, but I didn't open it. I expect to see more or less the same thing inside. Yeah, okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more, share, like, comment. Hope to see you again in the next one. Okay, bye.